While digital graphic recording can be a powerful communication tool, it doesn't need to be captured digitally to expand impact. Whether you use flip charts, posters, or large rolls of paper on a sheet of foam core, visuals speak loudly and clearly about the content you share. By mastering the heart of communication, you can enhance the way people take the information in and increase the likelihood that they'll remember and share what they've learned after experiencing visuals in your presentation or meeting. But the truth is, technology is driving change at a tremendous pace. And as visual evangelists, we would be wise to tap into it with our audiences. On the internet every single day, 150 million emails are sent, 700,000 people log into their Facebook accounts, almost 3 million video views on YouTube, and more than 50,000 downloads from the App Store alone. Apps, quite frankly, control the world. Our lights, our temperatures, we can watch our children, our dogs, and even our babysitters. We can track our spending, our bank accounts, our steps, and even our eligible matches. We actually have more control over our lives and more information at our fingertips than ever before, and much of it is coming at us visually. Everywhere you look, there are billboards, advertisements, static and digital, trying to get you to buy products or services. People around the world are using technology to share content, engage in visual marketing, and connect their businesses, their families, and even to cultivate learning around just about every topic imaginable. And the information is coming at us super fast. The good news is nothing captures an idea faster than an image. Visuals capture a message that words can't. Visuals get to the heart of the matter faster and with more long-standing impact on the brain. Visuals stick in the minds of the viewer. Advertisers know this when they use imagery to portray their messages to audiences. Some of the best visual advertisements come from social issues, ads that really stop and make you think. Like some of these. So to master the heart of communication, it really just means to touch the minds and hearts of learners in ways that make them stop and stretch their minds to think differently, more expansively, and with a greater commitment to applying action from their new learning. This is why I choose to shout the importance of visuals in all aspects of marketing, business, and education, and why I choose to draw for a living. It's also why I'm glad you chose to participate with me in this Picture This webcast series. Each one of you has your own reasons for participating in this webcast series and will likely make use of what you've learned here in many different ways and with different audiences. But the outcome is all the same. People will now be able to picture your message more clearly and turn learning into action as a result. So good job. Whether you're an educator looking to improve the way you deliver your lessons to students, or a professional presenter looking to bring more zing and appeal to your presentations, or a business leader trying to find ways to engage stakeholders and employees, this webcast was designed especially for you. So let's self-assess. After viewing these modules, can you picture this in yourself? You learned the importance of visuals in communication, ways to bring visuals to your meetings and presentations, drawing tools and techniques to develop as a visual communicator, and ways you can capitalize on these visuals to increase audience engagement and retention. You have learned not to listen to that inner critic saying you can't draw or that your visuals aren't good enough. You've gained the courage to pick up your markers and use them for good. You have now taken the first step to mastering a visual language, making you more viable, more marketable, and more potent in your messages. Those who only speak one language, the language of words, miss out on communicating with a huge population of people. You now have the tools you need to interact with the world more effectively. Can you picture it? Visual language is all around us, and audiences are counting on us to communicate well. I encourage you to learn more about graphic recording by joining forces with the many graphic recorders worldwide, and find ways in which you can engage them in bringing high-quality graphics to your next meeting or presentation. But don't underestimate your own visual communication super talent. So find that favorite marker and practice the skills you've learned. And don't think you have to hire a graphic recorder to share your visual message with the masses. We can bring change to the way we deliver and receive learning, one Inkmaster at a time. Thanks so much for being part of this webcast of Picture This, the webcast series. I look forward to sharing more in future modules. See you next time.